Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the file itself is good. Play it in VLC or another player, and note the audio codec like AC3 or DTS so you know what's missing. Once done, update MX Player from your App Store and grant storage and media permissions so it can access codecs. Next, open the video in MX Player and check the on-screen codec info. This tells you whether MX needs an external codec pack or can decode internally, so you know the correct next step. Now install the codec pack that matches your MX Player version. Search for the exact package name, download the APK, and sideload it if needed. Once installed, open MX Player settings and toggle decoding modes. Try HW, then HW+, and finally SW decoding. SW often resolves unsupported audio by using software decoding. If MX asks for an external codec file, move the downloaded codec APK to the suggested folder. Finish by restarting MX Player and replaying the video, making sure you select the correct audio track and that device volume and Bluetooth settings are correct. If audio remains unsupported, convert the audio stream to AAC using a simple mobile converter. This fixes stubborn AC3 or DTS issues without complex changes. And if detection still fails, clear MX Player's cache or reinstall the app so it rescans installed codec packs. This troubleshooting tip often resolves persistent codec recognition problems immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.